Looking for a potluck-perfect dessert that will get gobbled up by a hungry crowd? This strawberry pretzel dessert, inspired by Sugar Apron, will have your family and friends talking long after the dish is scraped clean. First, make and bake the pretzel crust. Crush 2 cups of your most munched brand of pretzels. Press this mixture into the bottom of a large baking dish. Bake for 10 minutes, just until the pretzel crust is toasty. Whipping up the cream cheese filling is easy. Use a hand mixer to beat the sugar and cream cheese until smooth. If you've never had this retro-inspired dessert, you're going to want to make it for weekend potlucks, summer holiday barbecues, and everyday family meals. After the cream cheese filling has set up, prepare the very good strawberry gelatin layer. Whisk together strawberry gelatin mix with boiling water to dissolve the gelatin granules. If you wait until it is fully set up, you will be able to neatly cut and serve impressively layered squares of yum. Stir in the fresh strawberries and refrigerate mixture for about 5 minutes. Pretzels in a dessert, you ask? Absolutely! The crunchy, sweet, and slightly salty pretzel crust makes a tasty foundation for cream cheese filling and a strawberry-studded gelatin topping. Don't knock it till you try it. Carefully pour the strawberry gelatin mixture over the cream cheese filling. Be careful not to splash any of the goodness out of the pan. The delectable contrast in colors and textures makes the strawberry pretzel dessert the go-to treat for every gathering.